no, she's actually a little bit of bougie. Okay.
This is number 2. Yeah, this is really good too. And this from Rina and then thank you.
Okay, that's ang alam doon.
Estamos ya kay Kalkurok, Kesolay.